right, amazing people. I am Lorie Woodruff. I wanted to bring to you a couple of things that may help you for your business. I want you to start thinking about it's the new year, it's a new you, and you might have a new business. So I wanted to really show you through this brief moment how you can market your business. I'm Lorie Woodruff, real estate entrepreneur in the Maryland and DC area. And I work with business owners as well, helping them market their brand. So this topic is for you, for those that are looking for simplicity on what you can do tonight. It's free. And what you can do is you can start building some business, some marketing. I speak a lot with entrepreneurs and people who are looking to get into entrepreneurship. And one of the things that comes up is it's not about the business, what to do, and what kind of money can be made. It's not about that. It's more so, how do I market? How do I market online? And that's where I adore having those conversations, because that conversation is always going to come up. It's always going to come up is, how do I get my message out to the masses of people? So I wanted to welcome you guys in. This episode is really just going to be a short, brief one. And you can certainly follow me on YouTube, because I do have some more supporting videos on how you can market your brand. And tonight, primarily, we're talking about Linktree. So if you are on Instagram, I welcome you to come over to my Facebook page so you can take a look at what we're going through, because I do just want to give you a brief tutorial on what we're talking about and how you can use Linktree to the best of your abilities, which is what? How much is it? Free, absolutely. So it's free. I do speak with a lot of owners, and that's the biggest question that comes up. It's not about the products. It's not about the services that they're going to bring out to the masses. It's about, how do I get the message out? All right. So I want to show you some things that I've been doing with my business that I also help other people within my business to help them do. So let's take a look. I'm going to show you guys behind my Linktree page so that you can at least see what that looks like. All right. Linktree is a free site. It's a free platform that you can use, and it allows you to add all of your social media pages on there. And it also allows you on all your URLs, all your .coms. And it was before, where if you have, let's say for me, if I have a real estate business, or if I have a calendar, or if I have some other down payment assistance programs, that could be 3 different links that I could be giving out to someone. That gets tiresome. And if you notice, it looks pretty tacky if I put all of those .coms in my email signature for you to get in touch with me. Here's my Facebook link. And hey, if you want to connect with IG, here's that link. All of those links in your email signature look pretty tacky. So let me help you get this stuff together so that you can look a little bit more polished going into the new year. So what you want to do is you want to go to Linktr.ee. All right. There's different pricing levels. Tonight, we're just going to talk about the free option that you can get in with no problem. Linktr.ee. All right. That's the site that you want to go to, and you can take a look and see how it works. All right. How it works. The pricing can go from free to $24.99 a month. But what we're talking about tonight is how much? It's free. All right, it's free. All right. So no excuses, no excuses. So I'm going to take you back a couple of years. I was taking a look at GoDaddy, and I'm buying domains for every daggone business or any affiliate that I was working with. And it was becoming a bit much. When you keep buying these different domains and these different .coms, they start to add up, and you got to start keeping a good track log of all of these .coms that you're buying. So I was buying them, and it was $12.99, $14.99 here and there for either a year or 2. So what I did, and I use Kartra for my CRM, or when I'm sending out emails, when I'm sending out broadcast emails. To a lot of you, it's coming from a system called Kartra. All right, I use Kartra for that. And they create their own URL. So if I create a website, or if I create a landing page through Kartra, they create their own URL, which is great. So that means that if I use that, let's say it's for real estate in Prince George's County, right? Let's just say I create a real estate landing page for real estate in Prince George's County. If I just have that, in the past, what I would have to do is go to GoDaddy and get a whole new domain, a whole new .com. Lorie sells homes in Prince George's, for something like that. I'd have to buy that. And then when you go to that site, you can take a look at the homes in Prince George's County. No longer do you have to do that. So if you're using a system like Kartra or any other system where it can help you create a landing page, whatever URL that it gives you for that landing page, you can use that here on Linktree. So you don't have to worry about getting a whole bunch of different .coms. This is going to free you some money. So let me show you my Instagram page, all right? I'm going to show you my Instagram page so you can see what this looks like. Again, in the past, I'm taking a look at all of these different Instagram influencers and all these people. I'm like, oh, they look pretty hot. They look pretty big. And they had a Linktree link. And it was really something simple that I just started looking. I said, well, if they can do it, I can do it. I'm not as big as them. I don't have millions and millions of followers. But at the same time, if they're using Linktree, then I definitely see there's value in it and you can use it for your business. So I started using this with my business and I started helping other people just get attached to it as well. So look at Linktree as just one landing page with all of your social media links and all of your .coms all on it. It's very simple, very clean. So if your Linktree is, let's say, Linktree / Gwen, okay? That's basically your new .com. That's basically your site that you can give out to anybody. So here's my Instagram page. And what you can do is you can take a look and see, if you go to Lorie_Woodruff, underneath my name, I've got the title. What do I do? How do I serve? And then I also have my mission statement on helping realtors and entrepreneurs build profitable online businesses by working from home. And underneath that, you see the Linktree link, okay? You see the Linktree link right there so that you can go right to it, all right? So start taking a look at that. Take a snapshot of that. If that's how you want to create your page, let me show if you guys can. Let me turn the camera around so my IG family can see that. All right, so if you see that on the IG page, you can see the name, what you do, the tagline, and then the Linktree link, all right? Just pretty simple. And however you do your Linktree, just make it simple. Don't make it complicated. And that way you can at least use that in your email signature. Much, much cleaner, all right? So I use that everywhere. So everywhere that you can imagine, in your bio, in your email address, use Linktree instead of all of your other .coms. All right. Now let's go over to Linktree to take a look and see what it looks like on the back side of it. You can use the free version. What's up, everybody? You can use the free version or you can use the paid version. It's up to you. What you want to do is really just start figuring out what sites do you want people to come to you. All right. I have several different businesses. I have a calendar. I have different affiliate businesses that I need people to see. But if I were just to try to remember all of these daggone .coms, I would drive myself crazy and you might miss out on one business that I have that you didn't see. All right. So that's the importance of Linktree. Linktree allows people to browse every business that you have, and it allows people to see, oh shit, I came here for her cannabis business, but I didn't know that she could help me get a job. I didn't know that she can help me with down payment assistance programs. Oh, I didn't see that she can help me with do-it-yourself credit repair guide. So think about what businesses that you want people to see, what they need to know of you, and this is how you can really advertise all of your businesses. So here's how it works. In Linktree, I'm in the back portion of it now. I'm logged into my personal page. So this is the way my page on the right-hand side looks. All right, let me show you guys. This is how, if you go to Linktree/Lorie Woodruff, that's pretty much the setup. And when you take a look at the back office, you see where it says links at the very top left. All you do is click that, and you're just adding on the different URLs that you want people to tap onto. So open your checking savings account with SoFi Bank is the very first tab. If you see that button, it's the first one. So when people tap on that, my referral link, which you see underneath, that second row, that's just the referral link that I copied and pasted to put in there. That's it. So it's very simple to start putting things together just by getting the URL, put a clean title in there. I use all caps, and so everybody can read it. Open your checking or savings account with SoFi Bank. All right. The online profit playbook, that is the ebook that I've been talking to you guys about for a long time that you can get. So you put in the URL for that web page, put in a quick title of whatever you want that to be, and boom. And all of these you can turn on and off when you don't need it. So if I don't want you to see this profit playbook, then I'll just toggle that over and it won't be green anymore. All right. And it's as simple as that. So I do have a full video that I've done on another YouTube video that goes clearly into how to put this stuff together. But I did just want to point this out because this has been coming up quite lately in a lot of my calls, that people don't know about Linktree and they don't know how simple it is really to set it up. So if you're going to market your business, keep it simple, keep it clean. If you notice also, at the very top, you've got either a professional photo or your logo, whichever one. You put in below what you do, and then you put in no more than 80 characters, how you help. What is your mission statement? All right. Inspiring, remarkable success in real estate and wealth building strategies. That's mine. So underneath there, you notice that there are all of the social media links that you want people to attach you with. All right. And as you're going through these tabs, you're just going to go through appearance and settings, basically going through that so that you can add in your YouTube, your Twitter, whatever other pages, YouTube links that you want people to know where you are. Okay. All right. Clean and simple, right? That way you don't have to keep telling people, where's your YouTube? What's my Instagram? It's all here on Linktree. Okay. So as I go through here, you can add your icons, add your social, you can even add your email address on here as well. And remember, this one is free. Okay. You can pick the background colors. You can pick all different colors. You can pick the button colors, the font sizes, all of that you can do right here in Linktree. So everywhere between links, appearances, and settings, take a look at that. Have a good time with it, and at least introduce yourself to a new way of moving your business to a higher level. Again, these are free samples that you could use for your background. Keep it simple. Whatever your branding colors are, just start focusing on what that looks like and then put that in place. All right. If you want to have a white background with blue buttons, bam, you can knock it out. If you want to have a black page with white buttons, you can slam it out and do it that way as well. Okay. And the more changes that you make on the left-hand side when you're working through it, on the right-hand side, you'll see everything being updated. All right. So I just wanted to introduce this to you guys. If you haven't used it already, take a look at Linktree. It is a wonderful free tool. And that way you can start to upgrade your email signature. You can update your bio. Okay. A lot of times people saying the link is in the bio. Well, very simple. You can do it that way. So thank you very much for tuning on in, and I'll see you guys next time.